Are you a current Mazda CX-50 owner with the crossbars? Then you are aware of the howling wind sound that it makes. It goes like woo woo woo, especially when you are going over 45 miles per hour. And this becomes extremely irritating on a long journey when you're hearing the howling for hours and hours. So today I will show you guys a fix that I have found after doing a lot of research using something called this Vortex Strips. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Z Razzle Dazzle, where we review everyday products. And today we have a 2024 Mazda CX-50 in the wind chill pearl white color, I believe. And this has the premium package, so it has the panoramic sunroof. So this howling sound is more prominent with the panoramic roof. If you do not have a panoramic roof, the noise may not be as prominent as what I am experiencing with this car. So I have looked everywhere on Reddit to try to find a solution, and till Mazda comes up with a proper solution, this is what we have. So today I'll show you guys how to install the Vortex Strips. These Vortex Strips are usually around, I think this is 16 to 18 inch in length. So you'll be needing 3 of these for each. So 3 strips for the front and 3 for the back, so 6 in total. I believe they're around $2 to $3 a piece. So maybe like around $30 with shipping. I will have a link in the description. So now let's look at how to install the Vortex Strip. So in order to install it, what we need is the key. So the key would open the bracket of these crossbars. So you can see there is a bracket here, and there is also the key fob right here. There are 4 of these, 2 on each crossbar. So there is one here, there is one in the other end, there is one over there, and there is another one over the other side. And they all open with that exact same key. This key can be, in my case, it was inside of my user manual. In your case, it may be somewhere else. And if you don't have it, just contact your dealer or whoever you got the car from. Now you take the key, put it in this key fob. Sorry, it's kind of difficult to do with one hand. And then you just open it like this. When you open it, just yank it off and it will come off. After it comes off, you can see that I actually already have the Vortex Strips installed, but I will still go over what I have done. So this is the original strip. So the original strip would be in here. You can see like there is a gap in here. That's where the strip is installed. So the original strip, since these are made for this car, probably would be like a little tighter to take off, but you can just yank it off. And then for the new strip, just take the new strip in and then just push it in like that. Then again, keep in mind, this is not a permanent fix, and this does not take the sound away 100%, but it will be a noticeable difference. And not just that, these strips are not made for this car, so it doesn't really even fit properly, as you can see in the video, but it does get the job done since it will be locked in with the bracket. And the other thing that I was saying, that you will be needing 3 of these strips, as you can see how long it is, and this strip just goes somewhere over here. So this is 1 here, then you'll need 2, and then 3 in the end. So a total of 3 strips for each, so it'll be like 6 strips all together. Now after you install the strips, you will have to close it back. So I'll try to close it with one hand. Just push it in. You just have to push it in like that and then just lock it. So after it is locked, it's secure, and that should get the job done. So now let's take the car on the road for a test drive to test out the strip. Okay, so now testing out the Vortex Strips. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'm going around 60 miles per hour, and there is barely any wind whistle that coming from the crossbars. I mean, there is some, but not as prominent as how it was before. So it does make a huge difference, at least for me. So yeah, there it goes. Your 70% fix for the Mazda CX-50 crossbar howling sound problem using the Vortex Strips. Now on the next video, I will be reviewing the Mazda CX-50, some of the things I like and I don't like. So yeah, please like, comment and subscribe, and please stay tuned. Also, please share this video with with others, so that people who are also facing this similar issue, they can get helped by it. Thank you for watching, and keep dazzling.